Welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here just this one repeated question to answer on the topic description property of fields. So guys, this video will be about properties of a force field. So ensure to stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and consider the question here. It says, which of the following operations does not represent an action of a force field? We have A, falling of a mango fruit from the tree. B, repulsion of two like charges. C, pushing of a wheelbarrow on a level ground. And D, picking of nails using a bar magnet. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, pushing of a wheelbarrow on a level ground. So that's the option that does not represent an action of a force field. So the other options here represent actions of a force field. Falling of a mango fruit from the tree is actually representing a gravitational force field. Then repulsion of two like charges is actually representing an electric force field. Then picking of nails using a bar magnet is representing a magnetic force field. But guys, pushing a wheelbarrow on a level ground is not an action of a force field, and as such, that's the answer to this question. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.